What up, beaches and beaches? Another week ahead, spread. Before we get into it, friendly reminder, I'm going to be at Sour Milk today from noon to 5 doing readings, and also the full moon workshop. I mean, come on, get into it. It is pay what you can, so hook yourself up, do yourself a favor, get into it, because what we're seeing this week, we have the Eight of Wands, Four of Pentacles in reverse, and the Seven of Cups in reverse. So a lot of energy really coming in quick this week, really calling you to release the energy of feeling overwhelmed, because this week there's a lot of big overwhelming energy coming through with that super full moon on the 13th, talking about all of the heaviness that has been bugging you is kind of reaching its peak breaking point, and you are really being asked to allow yourself to be part of that transition and say, like, okay, I am taking a firm step in collaborating with this shift in energy and saying, I'm not going to let all this shit keep happening to me. I'm going to be an active participant in releasing this shit out of my life and being clear about what it is that I do want in my life, because this week for sure is one of feeling overwhelmed, of constantly just like waves of heaviness coming to you. And so it's about you having the perspective of saying, okay, well, now that it's brought to my attention that I can't ignore all this heavy shit, let me participate in letting go of it, you know? So very much that, which is another reason why I did this full moon workshop and why I keep promoting it to you guys, is because, dude, everything keeps saying you need to release heavy energy, and that's all that the workshop is about. And like I keep saying, it's pay what you can. So hook yourself up, dude. It's literally like free to however much you feel comfortable with. So guidance here for this week is time for healing, and also step out of your comfort zone. I wanted to talk a little bit more about this one too, because it's representative of the North Node, and North Node is about forward motion. Also, that Eight of Wands, the first card that came out, forward motion, fast, quick, swift forward motion. So it's about moving forward with intention instead of just getting swept up and taken away with the current. This is you saying, okay, I'm going to start like moving with, it's basically like saying you're in a paddle boat, start using the fucking paddles instead of, or start using the oars instead of just letting the current just throw you around. Navigate along with that running current, okay, with that running stream of energy. So that's, again, what the workshop is all about, is navigating those things. So some self-care for this week for the collective is dancing. There's been a big message lately for the collective of getting that stagnant energy out of your body. And one way to do that is through dancing. You can literally like follow a choreographed dance, or you can just free move to music that feels good for you. But whatever way you need to get energy flowing out of your body, you know what I mean? So anyways, that's what I'm seeing for you guys. I hope that that was helpful. If you guys are wanting to get yourself either a reading or a spell kit or get into that workshop, you can do that on my website, jessieretroreadings.com, which is linked in my bio. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, let me know, but I'll see you on the next one. Bye.